Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. Do you know, one of the most popular questions I get asked is how can I generate an income, or how can I earn additional money, or how can I make more profits? And really there's two answers that I'd give to that question today, particularly whilst we're on this coronavirus and the pandemic and everything else that's going on. A lot of us, of course, are on lockdown, aren't we, working from home, or at least trying to work from home if we can, depending on the type of business that we have. So two suggestions I'm really going to give today, where you can visit my website at peterbolton.com. I'll put the website address at the bottom of this video. And on the home page, on the front page, you'll find that there is access to a free video workshop. If you click on that link and register, what I'll do is I'll send by return to your inbox some free videos which really help you to understand how you too can start and run your own online business. And that online business opportunity really is in the area of digital marketing education. And it's by not only learning for yourself how you can improve your marketing, your ability to generate sales inquiries for your business, but also how you can share that opportunity with other people and you can generate an income for yourself by doing exactly that, as I do. The second page on my website is called Generate an Income. And really that takes you and introduces you to the aspect of Forex, which is basically standing for foreign exchange. And it's a company that I'm involved in now, part of their internal team, helping them to generate money and profits from trading foreign currencies. Now, there's a lot of skepticism about that subject because I think there are so many scams on the internet talking about Forex and Bitcoin and all sorts of bits and pieces. But if you have an interest in generating more money, perhaps from making some small investments to start off with to find out what you can do with the returns that can be achieved within foreign exchange currency trading, then that's a place to look. And what you'll do, if you go to that page on my website, and again I'll put that page on my video here for you to click onto. If you go to that page, you'll be able to get access to some free information which helps you to understand what it's all about, what is Forex, how much risk is involved in doing that, is there an opportunity here really to make money by doing that, and could you do that for yourself? And I think the thing that really struck a chord for me when I saw this is that the ability to use AI software, artificial intelligence software, to be able to actually do the trading on our behalf so that we don't have to become an expert at manual trading on foreign exchange currency markets. So two ways that I could answer that question, how can I generate an income or make more money or make more profits? I would say one is looking at starting and running your own online business, and that you can find at peterbolton.com and click on that link for the free video workshop. Or the second area then perhaps is looking about generating an income from looking at the foreign exchange currency trading markets. And again, I'll put that link on this video here so you can see exactly where to go to look for that. So that's me from today. My lean-in video is all about generating income for people and helping them to do exactly that. Perhaps I'll look forward to talking to you. If you make some inquiries and you want some help or support with that, then please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Okay, take care. Have a great day.